long time. Someone exactly like you. I've been traveling all around the world, waiting for you to come through. Someone like you make it all worthwhile. Someone like you keep me satisfied. Someone exactly like you. I've been traveling a hard road. They've been looking for someone. I've been carrying my heavy load, waiting for the light to come shining through. Someone like you make it all worthwhile. Someone like you make me satisfied.
It is a very good occasion to discover this race of dogs, which was about desperation, but thanks to Daniel and Mr. Cedric Beck, these dogs are saved, and it is a great decision to save this Torbet because it is a natural animal from Kazakhstan, and from Kazakhstan it is another occasion to show to the world that in Kazakhstan we preserve nature and we preserve animals.
Someone like you keep me satisfied. Someone exactly. I've been all around the world, marching to the beat of a different drum. But just lately I have realized, maybe the best is yet to come. Someone like you, make it all worthwhile. Someone like you.
Côtoyer ces chiens parce que je les ai vus avec des paysans qui menaient leurs troupeaux sur la route de la soie. Et je voulais profiter de l'occasion pour demander à son Excellence le ministre de pouvoir saluer de ma part votre président, que j'ai connu personnellement aussi, son Excellence Nursultan Nazarbayev.